Say hi, Steph. Hi. Hi, Dave.
Hopefully you catch somebody fall.
Say hi.
Yeah, 6 miles.
This is 6 miles? Oh.
Well, we went yesterday.
But you guys ran. Sounds fun.
It was fun. Said that David started crying. He was all, stop.
I've only done like 3 miles running, that's it.
That's like what we do.
But it's like jogging, like
Yeah, it's like 3 miles.
it's like a
It's 3 miles there and then 3 miles back.
oh, okay.
Yours is shorter.
Yeah, mine's a little shorter. Because Dave has a little flyway.
Yeah, it's like a half mile.
Oh.
I look funny.
Where? I don't see it.
Camouflage.
I don't see it. Oh, I see it.
Well, you can't see it anymore.
Okay, say bye to the camera. Bye, Steph. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, how to